So Bitcoin is down, Ethereum is down, Chainlink wrecked a lot of people lately. Guys, welcome to a new video here at Sublime Traders. I'm Logical Orange, and let's take a look at what the technical analysis says about these three coins. So starting off with the weekly chart, we can see that right now we are plotting a red candle as a result of the rejection from the bottom of the channel that was started on the 16th March this year, and we have left it to the downside 2 weeks ago. But since this red chart has rejected in a point of confluence, so we have rejected at the 0.618 that I talk about a lot in my educational videos, and also on the EMA 20. Is this a good entry right now? Let me show you why I don't think right now is a very good time to enter, and it's mainly because we are now blocked between the bottom of the channel and this level, which is so the EMA and the 0.618 level, which is at $10,100, and I think that we will continue to stay in this range for at least 1 or 2 weeks until we decide which way it will go. The thing is that right now there is a lot of bearish sentiment in the market, so there are more possibilities for the price to go down than up. But let's also check some other time frames, for example the daily. On the daily chart, we can see that we have clearly rejected at the 0.618 level for Fibonacci, and the volume is dropping both for the sellers and for the buyers. This can mean that we can create a reversal pattern right here and retest the bottom of the channel, and if we break we can continue. But I think, in my opinion, I think we will reject and we can go back, and if we continue to go downwards we can go all the way to this level right here, which corresponds to support resistance level that we can find historically between the 13th of April and the 20th of July 2020, and also corresponds with the descending trend line that we have set with the 20k price level in 2018. Let's also take a short look at the market cap BTC dominance right now, and we can see that we have left the descending channel to the upside for just a little bit, and we have hit previously set support, and if we continue upwards, this would mean that traders are moving their assets out of altcoins. They are continuing to do so, and Bitcoin will in fact get stronger with this. However, it doesn't mean that this cannot revert. We can now see that we have rejected at this resistance level, which we can find here also, and if we go back to the channel, basically it's back to where we came from. We will go sideways almost everywhere, and the altcoins will continue to drop. Also, if we take a look at the raw candles plotted from the Bitcoin chart, we can see that we are currently creating an inverse cap and handle, and this usually continues the handle to the direction it created. This would mean also, this would also confirm the fact that it can go further down and establish at the created support. So I just wanted to conclude the BTC analysis today with showing you the Bitcoin CME futures 4-hour chart that clearly displays that there is nothing bullish for the moment, and that the gap is not filled. And as you guys know, the gaps almost always get filled. Statistically, 90% of the gaps get filled, and we haven't yet filled ours. So being that we are still in a downtrend, we have a lot of chances of filling this gap, and after potentially reverting to the upside. So I'm here with the 4-hour chart for Ethereum Tether US, and we can see that we have created the double bottom on the $300 level, and we have rejected. Today we have gained about 6%, and we have touched the descending trend line that we have formed with the previous 4-hour candles, and we are now stuck in a mini triangle. In my opinion, I think that we are now in a bigger formation that begins at about the $300 level and ends at about the 0.5 Fibonacci level, so about $400. I think that we will be in this range for a while, and this is possibly a good entry for a long, but we still need to confirm and close some candles over this formation right here, so we have some confirmations in order to possibly take a long. The take profit would be at about this level right here, so $385 to $400 would be a good exit to your take profit, and of course the stop loss would be below this level right here. And moving on to Link. Link has killed a lot of position yesterday and the days before, but right now it is in a very good position for a long, and I can see a very good trade right here. I will plot this for you guys so you have an idea. So my idea is that we can have a stop loss below this average. This rejection here confirms that the mean value of Link is at about $7.2. So we had the mean, we have rejected from it, and right now we are going up, and my target for this trade would be the 0.618 that I always take highly into consideration, and this would net us a 3.03 to 1 risk reward ratio. However, be careful, it's influenced by a lot of things, but in my opinion this would be a very good trade. So guys, this is all for today. Thank you for watching. This is Logical Orange from Sublime Traders. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to know more about Sublime Traders, join our Telegram channel. Thank you and happy trading.